Welcome to a video tutorial by PVsim Electronic GmbH, your specialists for AC and DC power sources, electronic loads, and DC sources with power regeneration. Photovoltaic simulation mode. Photovoltaic simulation mode allows solar cells to be simulated. After turning on the device, we flip over to PVsim mode with the dial. We can now adjust the 4 parameters of the solar cell. These include the open circuit voltage, including the short circuit current of the solar cell, then the voltage and the current at the maximum power point. In our example, an inverter with a range of between 360 and 560 volts is connected to the device. So in this simulation, we set the open circuit voltage approximately in the middle at 440 volts. We set 275 amps for the short circuit current. The voltage at maximum power point is typically 90% of the open circuit voltage, so we set this to 400 volts. The same applies to the current at maximum power point, so 2.5 amps in our example. We release the output via the standby button. We now see that the set open circuit voltage is at the output level. The inverter now slowly begins to draw current until the maximum power point is reached. Press the display button to view a graph showing the characteristic curve that results from the parameters we set in advance for the solar cell being simulated. We see that the small rectangle on the curve is all the way down on the right, indicating that currently we have full open circuit voltage and nearly 0 amps of current flowing. If the inverter begins to draw current, the point along the curve moves up and then levels off at the bend of the curve where the maximum power, in our case about 1 kilowatt, is reached. By pressing the standby button, the device output is once again blocked. The voltage still applied at the moment by the inverter slowly returns to 0.